A Michael Cohen audio recording hit the airwaves today, revealing Trump discussing the process of paying former Playboy bunny Karen McDougal, and it is nothing short of a bombshell. Listen to Cohen tell Trump how it is all going to go down.
Never. Cashless don't ever be able. They don't have a.
Give me a conflict.
They don't have a legitimate purpose.
And you have a woman that doesn't want it.
So that I'm going to do that right away. I've actually come up and I've spoken to Alan Weisselberg about how to set the whole thing up with.
So what are we going to pay?
Funding. Yes, and it's all the stuff because you never know where that company, you never know where he's going to be. Correct. So I'm all over that, and I spoke to Alan about it when it comes time for the financing, which will be.
Listen, what financing?
We'll have to pay you. So
okay.
No. I got no. Hey, no. How are you?
This recording is devastating to the Trump defense and to the right-wing media echo chamber. They can badmouth Cohen as a liar and an unreliable witness all they want. They can do it till the cows come home, but it won't stand up to the facts laid out in detail in the audio recording. Cohen tells Trump that following the advice of Chief Financial Officer Alan Weisselberg, Cohen is going to be setting up a shell company to make the payments. And this is where it gets really good, both for the trial and for Trump's stellar reputation. Cohen says to Trump, when it comes to the financing, and Trump replies, what financing? So Trump is not following here. Cohen is trying to talk in code for making payments, but Trump doesn't get it. So Cohen clarifies, we'll have to pay for this. Trump then responds, I'll pay cash. And this is where it gets funny. Up until now, everyone thought that Trump making hush money payments through the company was the result of his being notoriously cheap. Now we know that Trump didn't pay cash because he was too stupid. Though frankly, handing McDougal a brown paper bag full of cash may have been the smarter thing to do. The important point here is that Mr. Art of the Deal and the top brass of The Apprentice, you're fired, can't even follow the basics of a payoff through a shell corporation. Cohen has to walk him through every step, which is great for the prosecution, because it is now a matter of fact that Trump was informed and approved of the plan to silence Karen McDougal by making payments through David Pecker. And no, I'm not touching that name, not going anywhere near it, not even with a 10-foot pole. So the prosecution has solid evidence that Trump approved hush money payouts. And the court of public opinion now knows that the dim-witted Trump could not even remotely have done it on his own. He needed other people to tell him what to do, how to do it, when to do it, all while Trump sits around and yells out, someone get me a Coke. It does beg the question, is Trump going to be able to order the Secret Service to get him a Coke when he's behind bars? Because even better than the image of Trump in an orange jumpsuit is the image of Trump in an orange jumpsuit working in the prison cafeteria, slopping food onto a tray with a ladle, and wearing a hairnet. I mean, that's even better than the image of Trump sitting around making toilet wine. Who's fetching you a Coke now, Donnie boy? I'm Anthony Vincent Gallo for Occupy Democrats.